Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is the Tennant B5 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we need to replace your battery compartment latch. Now, 9 times out of 10, it's the bottom part of the latch that is broken. So you really don't have to replace the top part. It does come with a top part, and you can replace it. What you want to do is you want to remove the 2 screws. Just like that. Get your new latch and just reassemble the reverse way. Now, if you need to replace the top part, all you got to do is remove these 2 screws too. But like I said, 9 times out of 10, it's usually just the bottom part that is broken. Take that and screw it back in. Now line up the top hole. And screw this one back in. Super simple, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.